Welcome back everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S21. Now the process is very easy. All you have to do is make sure you can boot up your phone and it works and all this good stuff. So what you want to do at this point, you just want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings app. Just like so, you'll come into a panel just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you get into this specific place. And then you kind of see this general management part. When you go ahead and see the general management part, you want to go and click on it. At this point, what you want to do is scroll down until you see reset. So at this point, you just want to go ahead and click reset. And then you'll see a couple of different options. You'll see reset all settings, reset network settings, and then reset accessibility settings. But at the very bottom of these two in the middle before this one, you'll see factory data reset. Now what this does, as this thing says, it says reset your phone to be factory default settings. It'll basically erase every single thing on your phone, your contacts, your photos, your apps, every single thing you don't have backed up, it's going to delete. So basically back up every single thing that you can. Make sure you have a backup available. If you are totally not wanting anything, then obviously delete it all. But I would recommend backing up your device so at least some of your data will be backed up. And once you're ready, once you're backed up and everything, you want to go ahead and click this. You're going to get this little pop-up. It's going to tell you exactly everything is going to be deleted. You want to go and click reset, and it'll go and allow you to, I think, either type in the password or type in something else. You can basically click delete all actually here, and it'll go ahead and delete every single thing off your device. And you go ahead and give it a couple of minutes, probably 10 to 20 minutes, and it'll go ahead and reset and delete everything off your phone. So that's exactly how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S21. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.